Now this is Fabric, and I promised I'd show you a quick tour of it. You can add basically anything on your computer or in the cloud to Fabric, and you'll be able to find it just by asking the AI that's built in where it is. You don't have to know the file name or anything like that. You just need to know something about it and type it in, and it finds it straight away. So you can add Google Drive, GitHub, Notion, Android and iOS screenshots. Coming soon, because it's a brand new program, will be these, and you can vote on which one you'd rather have. So if I like Dropbox, I can vote on this, and it'll say, voted. And there's some big updates coming, Zapier and build your own connections. So no matter where your data is, you'll be able to see it. So you can add notes, you can add uploads, you can add notes, you can add attachments, you can do voice. So if I click that and speak, I can add my own voice. And then data connections, I've got Google Drive. And even if you've got more than one Google Drive, most people have, because they've got more than one Gmail account or Google account, then you can connect as many as you like. You can connect to Notion, and you've got I've got a folder here for System.io, my vinyl impressions, music, business, and they got a little welcome thing for you. All your recent items are there in all their formats. So if I go into System.io, there I've got my 7-day challenge, I've got my PLR, I've got ready to edit PLR, System.io promo articles, affiliate items, notes, more notes, and the features of System.io. And you can put a heading in it, whatever. So you can create as many spaces as you like for each different business you are running. And there's an inbox for anything you can copy offline, and it puts it straight in there for you. So if you see something you really like, it'll stick that in your inbox. And there's all that you can have as many spaces as you please. So integrations we've been through, that's mine. And you've got all sorts of tools you can use. You can even upload music, and it'll upload the files, and you can play the files and ask them to find certain music. I put in, can you show me music, final impressions, can you show me music that features family and the lost love or whatever, and it will choose the songs and give them a listing. So if I go into iTunes, for example, and these are the songs, I can actually click on it and it will play. And I can ask here, AI, I can ask about any file. This song, blah, 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 seems to be the feeling of intensely excited or energized, and as suggested by the blah, blah, blah lyrics. It tells you all about it. So I can add that as a note. So if I click save that as a note, now that song, when I want to know anything about it, will be within the note. So I can click on this one, and then there's the notes about it. So when I'm running radio shows, which is what I do, I can find anything about it. But that's why I like it personally, because anything you've got anywhere, whether it's on your computer, whether it's on the cloud, Google Drive, wherever, it will find it for you. So you just go back to the beginning and ask. It says, what are you looking for? And you say, System.io items. And that's everything to do with System.io. Now, if I didn't know quite what it was, I didn't know the title or anything, I could say anything with members in it. And then everything with member, and you can narrow it down. And so it can even tell you if you search for colors, if you search for on images, it will find it for you, because the AI knows what it's looking at with an image. So this is called Fabric. It's free to get started, and then when you want to go over 1,000 files or something, you have to pay, which is I've done, because it's such an amazing tool. You click on the colors, you can click on photographs, and you can upload photographs and describe the photograph, and it will find it for you. If you want to looking for a woman with a baby, everything with a woman and a baby will be shown. So it's very, very clever. So that's that. I'll leave some details of how you can click on it and get involved.